peace and many blessings wherever honor to be. This should a Queen Quet, head upon the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. I'm so glad that this year, the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. So every year when we just celebrate this thing, yeah, we try to learn other rest of people about who we be down here upon these here islands in the sea, from Jacksonville, North Kakalaki to Jacksonville, Florida. Well, one of the year we crack we teeth like this year, that we on town called Gullah. But this year thing come here from Alkebulan, from the motherland. Now, plenty of cracky people try to act like we only come from one country where they in the motherland. Ain't no such a thing like that. Gullah Geechee people got long tie, long connection to Senegal, to Senegambia, on the sea. Not just because of that rice that we like for Nyampon, but also some of the things that Hunter done see, that even South Kakalaki done join in and say it is a cry for the state, because it come from we, who be Gullah Geechee. So, iconically, Hunter children come down here looking for what? A basket, any. But with the in them, all the work will have to go into them. And how the woman them be the one what make the show. So, at the Gullah Geechee Nation, Hunter go finally get to see the connection with there between we and we Sengalese family. So, look at this show. Plenty of Hunter children done see me the lonely thing from top of my head and thing like that. You done see me the fine and thing like that. Rather was, you might see some collection like this show. And you ought to see the basket like this. What make you in the Sea Islands. But if you just go across the big water and go in Senegal, you might see this show like this, you see. Now over here, we, Gullah Geechee Council, elder member, we are Senegal, been the first one put the color in them and have patent on them for the sweet grass. But see, when you put them together, oh, ain't nothing but family, did it, you see. And that's what we want you to come to the Gullah Geechee Nation and make the reconnection and let we pour in to one another. But the culture that is saying for true. So, Hunter need for join we in South Kakalaki and make sure you support the woman from Senegal and from the Gullah Geechee Nation. Hard working woman. So if 100 children for come and support not only we sweetgrass basket makers, but also the woman of Senegal. We could take on a lead journey with our over there as it get everything we're coming here to the Gullah Geechee Nation. And thank God that we got a little bit more than we sisters there. Help them feed the family, buy a basket and things like that, and keep we culture the grind.
Man awan ci am ñëwoon doon jënd si pañe gis ngeen ñu ngi nii mashallah I come into Bukura to buy the basket to help the woman in Senegal to bring to United States to sell it. Thank you. I am there. That's the woman that do the basket. That's the woman that's the market. We sell the basket here. You see? This one we do the basket. This is our. I'm coming to Africa to get this one for our sister to help them. Thank you. This is our. I'm coming from Africa in Senegal. This village, the name is We do the basket here. That's why I come in to see the woman in there. And you see, there's a hard-working woman. You see what they're doing? You see, they do like this. This is a handmade. They do like this. That's a handmade. That's a hard-working woman. That's why I come into Africa to see how to do it. Because I help them for the basket to bring to United States to sell it. That's why I come in to see where we're going to do it in Africa. That's the lady. They do the basket. They do everything, you see. That's why I come to the village to see the lady do the basket. Yes, you see. I help the woman in Africa to support the family because they do good job, and that's a handmade. Yeah, and this the woman working hard working woman. See? Alhamdulillah. Yeah. You see, that's the woman in Africa in the village to work this basket. You see how to work? MashaAllah, Alhamdulillah. You see, they do good job. That's why I come to the village to support them, to buy this basket from them and sell it. That's why I come all the way to the village to show you this work.
All this are handmade.
Handmade.
No chemicals.
Nothing.
No machinery. It is anything. Everything is a handmade.
Jox ma leeral teg ci suuf kii bi ci suuf li muy raab nga xam ne kii nan la tudd his name is Njoro. You see,
you know,
that's
from
the one
tree.
from the tree to do this work. You see, they do all this work. That's only women do that. And thank you very much. I appreciate it. Very nice. You see, I'm in Africa, and the name this village, the name is Ngai. I come in here to get the basket to take into America, to come in to help the woman in Senegal to sell this one. This is I come into Africa to help this woman to do this basket, to put in this container, to come into America. That's why please we help the woman in Senegal. That's a handmade. That's why I come in here to do this one, to bring to there, to help them. Yeah, you see the kids, they have a lot of kids, you know, and the woman, that's the job. That's why.
At the Gullah Geechee Nation, we going to help support the woman who did it in Senegal. We want our children to come meet my sister Awa, who I done know for over 2 decades already. We to support them for help the other woman who did it in Senegal. They work hard all the time like me and like Awa, you see. Making things by hand for her children have treasure, wherever her be. This is the Queen Quet, head upon the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. See her children right here in the Gullah Geechee Nation, Saturday,